Opening, why most people stop growing. Most people don't fail because they dream too small. They fail because they stop improving. They start strong, motivated, inspired. Then the noise of life takes over. Bills, stress, distraction. The dream becomes a memory. Kaizen is the antidote to that. It's not motivation, it's momentum. The quiet discipline of showing up every day, even when no one is watching, getting 1% better, never satisfied, always grateful. Ask yourself, when was the last time you improved on purpose? Chapter 1, The Lie of Big Change. The world worships big change, overnight success, instant results, viral moments. But lasting growth isn't loud, it's quiet. Kaizen means continuous improvement, small steps every day, forever. Big goals create fear, small steps create focus. Every tiny win teaches your brain that progress is possible. That's how discipline becomes rewarding. You don't need a revolution, you need repetition. Chapter 2, Why This Series Matters. This is episode 1 of a 4-part journey, The Art of Kaizen, Mastering Continuous Growth. Across this series you will learn 1. The philosophy of Kaizen, the mindset of constant improvement. 2. Kaizen in business, how systems create success that never stops. 3. The personal Kaizen, how to redesign your life one habit at a time. 4. The modern Kaizen, how to stay focused in a world of noise. By the end, you won't just understand Kaizen, you'll be living it. Chapter 3, The Origin of Kaizen. Kaizen was born from ashes. Japan after war and loss. Factories destroyed, resources gone, but the spirit remained. From necessity came philosophy, Kai, change, Zen, for the better. Change for the better, always. Kaizen is not doing more, it's doing better. You don't rebuild nations overnight, you rebuild them one decision at a time. Ask yourself, what could you rebuild today if you simply started? Chapter 4, The Science of Small Wins. Your brain loves progress, but fears pressure. That's why huge goals overwhelm you. Small goals create safety. Safety creates momentum. Each micro improvement releases dopamine, not from finishing, but from advancing. That's why Kaizen feels good. Tool 1, the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Action creates energy. Energy creates discipline. Chapter 5, The Power of Observation. You can't improve what you don't see. Kaizen begins with awareness. In Japanese factories, leaders did gemba walks, walking the floor, watching, asking why. Do the same in your own life. Observe without judgment. Every evening ask, what did I refine today? Tool 2, the daily review. Write one thing you improved and one thing you'll improve tomorrow. Awareness turns time into teacher. Chapter 6, Kaizen versus Ego. Ego kills growth. Ego says, I know. Kaizen says, what can I learn? Ego seeks credit. Kaizen seeks clarity. Choose learning over looking good. Humility is the door to improvement, because when you think you're already great, you stop growing. Tool 3, the beginner's mind. Be willing to look foolish. That's where wisdom starts. Chapter 7, The System of Kaizen. Plan, do, check, improve, repeat. That simple loop, the PDCA cycle, builds empires. Every creator and company that lasts uses this system. Tool 4, the Kaizen cycle. Plan one small change, do it. Check results, adjust, then repeat forever. Improvement is a circle, not a finish line. Chapter 8, Why People Quit. Most people don't fail. They stop. They expect too much too soon. When results don't appear, they quit. Kaizen teaches patience. Hold the vision. Trust the process. Persistence is invincible. Tool 5, the 1% rule. Focus on getting 1% better today. In a year, you'll be 37 times better. Small numbers, massive compounding. Chapter 9, Kaizen in Real Life. Kaizen in your body, stretch 1 minute longer. Kaizen in your mind, read 1 page more. Kaizen in your business, solve 1 customer problem today. Kaizen in your heart, say thank you once more than yesterday. Small does not mean weak. Small means consistent. Consistency creates confidence. Tool 6, the compounding habit. Habits grow like interest. The earlier you start, the bigger they become. Chapter 10, Kaizen for Chaos. Modern life moves too fast. Kaizen slows you down to make you effective. In chaos, consistency is power. While others panic, you adjust. While others chase noise, you build systems. You become calm because you trust your process. Tool 7, System over Emotion. When life gets loud, don't react. Review your system. Chapter 11, The Future of Kaizen. The world chases hacks. Kaizen builds habits. The world celebrates winners. Kaizen celebrates learners. Because progress never goes out of style. Ask yourself, if you commit to 1 year of Kaizen, who could you become? Closing manifesto. This is not motivation, it's movement. Start small, start today, start again tomorrow. Kaizen is not about trying harder, it's about never stopping. Follow the next episodes to collect every tool you need for mastery. Episode 2, Kaizen in Business, Building Systems that Never Stop Growing. Episode 3, The Personal Kaizen, Redesigning Your Life, 1 habit at a time. Episode 4, The Modern Kaizen, Growth in a Distracted World. Subscribe to Echoes of Wisdom. Together we learn, together we grow, and together we improve forever.